Hey, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Disney Channel, and if you didn't know, now is your one opportunity to get it together. So, like we do every Monday, love yourself savagely now. So for this video, Raccoon is doing our voiceovers. That's me, y'all. I know. Y'all really thought that was ARiiED, and it's not. It's me. It's me. And I know y'all are excited. I'm excited. Is she looking at? Don't. Looking back, you can't see me, but you wanna know how I got this makeup? What the? Bitch, I have on headphones. This is loud. Turn this down. All right, there was a glow down, and we're gonna glow it back up. All right, let's start it out. We're gonna have to put on the tart-shaped tan sand because, I didn't need the words though. I'm well past the words. Come on now, it's actually kind of insulting. And if you don't know what she's doing right now, then you need to go to an easier video because you don't know nothing about makeup, and don't start here because you're gonna look a mess. This is blending. We're gonna blend for 5 days. And on the 6th and 7th day, we rest because our wrists are gonna be in for a workout. This is a lot of work. This is sped up. This is over the course of a week. That's a week's worth of blending. That's why it looks so good. Now we're gonna go into the Estate Cosmetics Peach Punch Quad. I hate it. I hate the name of this. Why does that sound like juice? And we're gonna... Is it going on? Is it not working? It's... I can kind of see it now. Okay. She's happy about it. All right. So I think we're gonna go into this. Okay, we're gonna go into the brown. Merbabe. I hate everything that's happening. Why are these names of these? I hope they don't watch these videos. Oh, they do. I feel like she could hear me. That was weird. If these palettes watch the video, she loves it, y'all. I just don't. But like, who am I, right? Aside from the best beauty guru you've ever seen in all your life. Yeah, sorry. She went in with the, I didn't see it, with a brown. Huh. Is this soft glam? Is that what we're doing today? I didn't actually read the memo. But it's looking good. It's looking natural. It's looking. Okay. The eyebrows are still. Okay. I gotta teach. This. We're going into what we're using the Morphe E36 brush, and we're going into this another peachy. Oh, why do you always bring me onto the videos where you use the same color 30 times? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? I feel like I should just talk about my day at this point because. Wait. This is the day that you came out into the living room and you was like, "Is this peachy enough? Is this?" I was there when you shot this. What? So you know what? I'm gonna have faith in you because I saw it. I saw it at the end, and I was like, "Oh, this looks good." But this is the journey, and the journey took 1,000 miles clearly because this is not what it looked like when you came in the living room. So I have faith in you. I'm gonna let you keep adding on these Arizona browns, but it's gonna end up looking good. So we're gonna use the tart-shaped tan sand. I never say tape. Tan sand again to do a cut crease. We're using the Zova 233 cream shader concealer to do concealer brush. Why didn't I see that on my screen? Are you chopping words off? Anyway, sorry. And we're gonna do a cut crease, and she's gonna. Do you have an itch? Why are you rubbing there for so long? I don't know what that was about. It was a little weird and fetishy, but I don't know. I hate the name of this palette. Peach Punch Quad. Blah. We're gonna go into this orange, which happens to be my favorite color, and hopefully it stands out on her. She made a face like, yeah, this looks good. I don't even see it. You might as well have just used the tart-shaped tape tan sand again because I don't. Oh, I was just about to say I'm gonna get canceled for talking about this person's palette, but who cares about me getting canceled if she's gonna still use that mirror? Now let's talk about this, since clearly there's nothing to talk about with her makeup. Who here thinks that ARiiED? No, I'm talking. I'm not even gonna. Don't put nothing on the screen. I'm not gonna read it. I'm talking. Who here thinks that ARiiED needs her own line of makeup hand mirrors? We gotta make that happen. Who wants one? Type it in the comments right now. We need a mirror. Say we need a mirror. And that's on what? I'm not gonna even complete it. Everybody write what that's on right now. I see it. I see all the comments. That's Fenty. Don't need to write that. I know Fenty when I see it. Fenty Pro Filter Foundation. Oh, this is when we're gonna do the little bird droplets on our face. And we're gonna rub it in. And we're gonna do the little wing thing on our nose. And then we're gonna rub in the little chin thing. And then the dot on the forehead, we're gonna rub across the whole forehead, and then it's gonna even out her skin. It's gonna look beautiful. Not that she doesn't have even skin already, but like it's gonna be evener. Even more even. This is not funny. That was dumb. It's not. It wasn't. I'm not proud of that one. I'm not. It was a mess. But I'm a beauty guru, not a comedian. So that's not why I'm here. That's not why I'm getting paid for this. I got paid a lot of money for this, so I don't know. I know Lawrence did one. I don't remember him talking about his paycheck, but I got one. If that makes you, I don't know. You didn't. I don't think you got paid, but listen, this can't be our thing. Like it's I bring something, a certain je ne sais quoi to the table. You know, yeah. So now we're gonna go. Is this whole makeup look just gonna be with Tarte Shape tape and sand? Are we not gonna use anything else? Or can you just use Tarte Shape? You just have to use things that are sand because that's your color. Like you're a sandy being. I don't. Speaking of sandy, did you guys know that Patrick Starr has his own show that started on July 9th? It started on July 9th. Are you guys gonna watch? Is Sandy gonna be a part of it? I think y'all should watch. I think you guys should watch. I think it's gonna be funny. I don't. Patrick is really giving a lot of side character, and I don't see how he's main character. I really think that it should have been Squidward, but nobody called me to do the show. That's odd though. I thought they would for some. I don't know. Listen, back to makeup. We're still blending in the sand. It takes a long time. Like I told you guys, over the course of a week. That's why it's sped up. And then after the week is done, she just washes it off because she doesn't go outside. But yeah, be finished. Or speed it up more so that when I'm talking, I can have like perfect places to switch what I'm saying. It's like I feel like you are rooting for my downfall, and I wish you could hear me because I really want to insult you, but it's alright. What are you going into? What? Makeup Revolution banana powder. See, I always thought banana powder was to catch your eyeshadow and so that you don't mess up the rest of your face. But maybe I'm wrong. You also didn't use that much like colors, so what can mess up your face? Everything that's on your face is already the color of some part of your skin. A bruise, a tan, a never been tan in all your life. So what is it messing up, honestly? What is the banana powder for? What are you doing with this? Are you about to use color? Because this would be an odd time to start just using colors now, right now. So you put on all that stuff on your face just so you could be white. What is this? Trifling Cosmetics Lava Liner. Okay, so I'm amazed by this because I really think you're really good at putting on your eyeliner. Maybe you're not. Maybe other beauty gurus watch your video and like, oh god, this bitch fucking sucks at putting on her fucking eyeliner. Maybe she's trash. I don't know. But seeing as how I'm the best, only my opinion really matters, and I think you're really good at it. Oh, we're going into a purple with the Morphe E36 brush. What are we gonna do with that? And where is purple going on all this brown? There was not one piece of purple. Stop showing me this mirror. There was not one piece of purple when I went to Arizona desert. Oh, we're putting it on our... That's not... I was gonna say your waterline, but it's not really waterlining. It's like I don't see you pulling down your... Oh, we're putting on lip gloss. Who puts on lip gloss this early on the... No, you're not putting it on. Oh, you're putting it on your hand. Okay, we're using the Silver 315 fine liner. You're gonna put that on your... Oh god. Okay, so I'm officially taking over the channel because we're putting things for our lips inside of our waterlines that could get in your eye. That could be very unhealthy. Waterlines are not lips. Lips are lips. And that does not go there. So anyone following the tutorial, skip this part, because that's not how makeup works. You don't put lip gloss on your eyes them. So we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Set Smooth and 355. Why 355? Smooth 355. There's 365 days in a year. So the 10 other days, I'm just not going to be smooth. That's so trash. I really have to call out these brands because they're not thinking things through. And it's irritating at this point. And it's rude. And it's not good for the customers. She's brushing places on her face that I did not see her put a lick of fucking makeup. Oh, I just cursed. I'm not sorry. She brushed her neck like there was makeup there. Maybe she's trying to blend it down, but again, I already told you, everything is the same color. You don't have to blend this time. I promise you, you will still look the same. I promise you. Oh, you're trying to contour that nose. You're trying to get you want a little beaky beak. You want a little beaky beak. You want a straight little nose right there. I see it. You're doing a good job at this part because I see it happening. Why are you flicking the bottom of it though? All right. I see it happening. I see the change. Sometimes when people put on contour, it just be going from hey, I've been a human all my life to Toucan Samantha. And why do you look like that? Why does it look like you are about to peck me to death? Speaking of peck me to death, I've been attacked by like 2 birds in my life. So maybe that's why I don't like this contouring thing, because I have PTSD. It's PTSD. That's what it is. And I'm just gonna have to come to terms with that. Because when that bird grabbed my head, my life flashed before my eyes and it was just too much, y'all. Oh wow. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, back to what little makeup my cousin is doing today. Sorry. So we're blending in our skin with the skin color stuff that we used, cause smooth skin purr. It's like my friend Christina, she says it all the time. Purr 4-in-1 skin perfecting powders. How perfect you want your skin to be? You want to be a doll. That's what it is. What's that doing? She's happy about it. She's always happiest about the things that I don't see. Maybe she's a minimalist. Honestly, couldn't even tell that you were brushing your nose just now. You were just flicking the brush around. But I'm thinking you're a minimalist, because every time, okay, the Cupid's bow is glowing. I'm gonna eat my words there. It's glowing. I see it. Your hair's coming out in the back, but I was gonna say I wasn't there to tell you that it was falling out, but I was there. So maybe I was hoping for your downfall. That's what it was, honestly. That's what it was. I honestly, y'all, I'm sorry, but like, she puts me on these videos where there's no color, she withholds glitter from me. It's just, what do y'all want me to do with this? Because now she's going in with this redstone blush. Like, you know what the thing is? I think she's upset she didn't get to go to Arizona for my birthday. And so she wanted to bring Arizona to her face. And I was already there. It was 120 degrees. I want no parts. 120 degrees was the high. 108 was the low. We don't need to go back right now. Okay, so I like this. That was nice. We're putting this really like bright. I wouldn't say this is orange. Did it say what color it was? Maybe I missed it. But we're putting this bright tone in our eye crotch, and it's really slow motion for me. Alright guys, so finally I get to say stuff, and I don't know, blah blah blah. I look nice. These are my eyelashes. Buy them. They cost lots of money, but you can't afford them. And if you don't buy them, you're really just a cheap mother. And look how great they look. Why would you not buy them? Are you poor? Don't be poor. Save money to buy eyelashes. You don't need to move out. You don't need to get a car. You don't need to do any of those things, because if you have eyelashes, people will buy you stuff. It's called pretty privilege. And that's the name of my eyelash line, guys. That's what it's gonna be. It's Pretty Privilege, and it's direct competition to ARiiED Beauty, and I don't really care about nothing she's saying. Buy mine, because Pretty Privilege will get you places. I don't think you're poor. I just know I'm a beauty guru, and I know I make that cha-ching, okay? Boop. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and once you subscribe, hit the notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like motherfucking clockwork. Bow. So I don't ever want to hear that I don't know this ending again, because I clearly know it, and I'm not about to go on and on and on about, oh, Lawrence knew the intro was perfect, Lawrence knew the ending, it was perfect, so what? And Lawrence gave y'all a song. I'm not gonna give y'all a song, because why would I do that if I get paid for making music? I don't know why he gave y'all that free sample. I personally think that if it's not gonna be streamed, why would he give y'all that? Like, he should have put that on streaming sites. I'm not gonna give y'all a free song. I'm not about to sing for y'all. That's not about to happen. But y'all can come to a show, or you subscribe to me, or you can follow me on Instagram. But I ain't about to come to no free show where I'm about to sing y'all a song on somebody else's YouTube channel. I'm not singing y'all a song. It's not happening. I am a beauty guru here, and this is what I do. I just beauty guru, and I'm not gonna do anything else. I think it's dumb that you guys want me to la 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 all over the place all the time. Maybe I'm tired. Maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I just want to tell y'all about beautiful things that my cousin. Well, today's was alright. She looked beautiful at the end, but the journey was not like colorful or anything. But like, listen, I'm the best thing that has happened to this channel. Let's just say that, right? No, you guys, no, you wouldn't put that on French fries. I would put that on French fries. Listen, Lawrence's video, was it perfect? Yes. Was it amazing? Yes. Did he know everything that he needed to say? Did he hear all the points? Yes, maybe he did that. But like, listen, I'm not gonna say. Listen. You know what? I'm the best, and that's on French fries. I can't. I'm the mic dropped.